Thursday video, and we're looking at Bitcoin first this morning as it's fallen below support. It's a fairly key move. It's quite hard to find a form to these this pattern. We've got an ABC there that's fairly clear. Then got really a series of triangles. So I mean, it's there's a triangle there which then broke out a bit. Triangle here broke out a bit. Another one here, and it's finally broken down to the downside. Difficult to say what might happen next. Really. I mean, this fall was from 20,000 roughly down to about 6, so that's 70%, if I'm not incorrect. So could we see a 70% fall from this move here, from 8,000? That takes down about 2.5. I guess that's possible, but I don't get the feeling that's what's really happening here. I think this may just be an attempt to get lower prices. I'm not convinced it's a significant fall at this point. It could easily become one. I think I'm not saying it can't become a more significant decline. The people who like to pin the tail on the donkey are talking about the Bitcoin Cash hard fork as the cause for this, but again, that doesn't seem to really fit the bill for this kind of sell-off. Let's go down the leg. So at the moment, we had the decline came from about 6.5 thereabouts. Possible 1 wave down to there, maybe 2. Possible 3 down to there, maybe a 4. So this could be a 5th wave. Although it would be encouraging. We saw a bit of a spike there, a bit of a spike here. We could actually, if we start to rally, we could gain some momentum, I think. So that's one possibility. 5 waves down would be another possibility. I mean, it could be a 5th wave failure after a sharp 3rd wave. This particular spike is not terribly impressive. I mean, it's about $100. I'd rather see something a bit more determined than that. Although I guess from 5.3 to 5.6 is a $300 move, so that is of some interest. Now looking at the 5-minute chart, we do have a possible 5 waves up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, and not necessarily over yet. But that could be an A wave, so it could be a $300 A wave with a B wave followed by a C wave coming in, maybe to about 5.7 perhaps. So at this point in time, not a huge amount to go. I did buy some more Bitcoin during the decline. I had an order in on CoinFloor. I can't recall the precise price, but somewhere around the 5.5 level. I think it is in sterling, in fact, not dollars. In a way, I'm glad this happened because the air needs to be cleared, and this is part of that process. I feel convinced we're going to go higher once this is out of the way. It's just a question of how long it might last, which is quite a big question, and hopefully chart patterns will be a little bit more clearer as we move. All right, well, the Dow continues with its move, which could be a 5, but could be a 3. 1, 2, 4, 5. Now this looks like definitely be an ABC, which suggests we may have seen the end of a corrective rally, and that this certainly looks like it's impulsive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it does look like we do an ABC, possibly, but the overall pattern here is not encouraging. Looking at the fibs, I mean, the rally came up to about 70% odd, but clear ABC form. See what comes next, really. It's all a little bit indifferent. I mean, obviously it could be an ABC, A, B, C. If so, this also looks like an ABC, so that would be a B wave. So it still would call for more downside from the current move. So I'm fairly negative right now, looking at these chart patterns. The DAX is still keeping us guessing, really. This looks like a corrective move. A, so does this, A, B, C. This is just dithering, really. I mean, if this is an A wave, then the target remains around the 11,900 level where A equals C, but not a huge amount happening right now. It is, of course, getting close to expiry, which is, I think, tomorrow. So maybe we have to wait till next week before we see something more dramatic. All right, gold all keeping us guessing. We went down to the window I was talking about, and we bounced fairly well, but we've got a couple of spikes up here which aren't ideal. It is do or die right now. We've got the 5 waves up. So there, we've got the ABC down to there, and if this fails, if it takes out that low there, then I think the whole thing will just be a correction, and we're probably going to retest the lows we saw earlier in the year. So there's some encouragement from this move, but say these two spikes are a little bit worrying. Right, that's all for today. If that interesting, useful, back to the report on the weekend. Have a great day. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.